Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to compare two charts at once in TradingView. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and load the chart of the stock you want to compare. In this example I've selected Netflix, NFLX. Now look at the top left corner of the chart. Click on the plus icon next to the stock name. From the drop down, search for the second stock you want to compare. I'll use Apple, AAPL, for this tutorial. Click on it and it will be added to your current chart. Hover your mouse over the newly added stock name, Apple, and you'll see three display options: same percentage scale, new price scale, new pane. Select same percentage scale to visually compare performance over time. To change how the second chart looks, hover over the second stock name again and click on Settings. From here, you can change the chart type, like switching from a line to a candlestick or bar chart to match your preference on the main chart. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.